नहीं शुरू
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would present a श्लोक परित्राणाय साधूनां च दुष्कृतां धर्म स्थापना कार्य संभवामि युगे युगे। इसका अर्थ है कि श्री कृष्ण इस श्लोक से यह कहते हैं कि साधु संतों की रक्षा करने, अधर्म का सर्वनाश करने तथा धर्म की स्थापना करने मैं हर युग में जन्म लूँगा। Now I will speak about this session only. First of all, I really enjoy my time here, and it is a great way, and it is a great, and I feel that it is a very good way of basically expressing and learning about a lot of things. I'm gonna first of all we start off our whole speaking session by chanting a Sanskrit shlok. I think this is a very good idea, or a very good step, because as we all know that Sanskrit is a language that is being lost, or that is being spoken every day. The number of speakers of this language is decreasing every day, but I think it is very necessary for us to actually know about our own language and our own culture, because as we all know that Sanskrit is the mother of all languages and is said to be the most logical and the most scientific language in the world. There are numerous languages in today's world that are being originated or derived, or a lot of their words are straight away taken from Sanskrit only. And rather than just cramming the Sanskrit shlok and chanting and reciting it here, I think we all should first of all understand the shlok and then talk about it, as it has very deep, it has many layers into it and has a very deep meaning in every shlok. Second, whenever we are speaking here, it definitely improves our speaking and communication skills, and helps and it basically boosts our interaction skills. Then after that, whenever we are doing, suppose on random topics or on the spot topics, it again improves our thinking on the spot, and also improves our thinking under pressure. After that, whether we are speaking in pure Hindi or pure English, it improves the language fluency and makes us stutter, and makes us stop a lot less whenever we are speaking the language, and makes it a lot more convenient for us to speak it. After that, suppose we have finished our speech, and suppose everybody has finished everybody's speech, and we go and sit, and then we get an assessment or evaluation from Bade Papa or Chote Papa that actually tell us like what were the benefits, or rather the positives of our speech, and what were the negatives, and we should try to improve upon it. After that, the idea of recording the speech, I think is phenomenal, because after the speech is over, there is no other way for us to actually evaluate ourselves. So after the recording is done and is uploaded, we can go and rewatch ourselves, and actually assess ourselves again, to think about where did we go wrong, and how should we actually improve. After that, there are a lot of funny moments also occurring during this session, which makes the whole session a lot more cheerful and engaging. Then I have a few tips for everybody who's going to speak. First of all, whenever we are starting obviously the whole session by chanting Om. I think that should be done properly, because we all know that Om is said to be a very holy mantra and a very holy syllable, as it helps in the mind becoming a lot more clear and removes all the negative thoughts that are present inside our mind, and makes the mind a lot more focused before us going to actually speak. After that, before coming to actually speak, I think taking a deep breath is very important, because it makes the mind a lot more composed and calm. And we should also focus on our body posture and how we speak, our eyes movement and all, which can be obviously further seen in the recording. Then the fourth tip which I want to give everybody is that whatever you're speaking upon, suppose you should be very confident about your content and should be always confidently speaking. Let's say for example that you're speaking on the spot and you get a topic of, let's say, studies. We tend to think about it a lot, and we tend to, let's just say, give a speech of a line to 5 or 10 lines. But after that, whenever we go back and reassess our own speeches, we often tend to think that I could have said about this point or that point, and you tend to add a lot more points after reassessing your speech. This is very important to actually note and to actually apply it whenever we are speaking it right here. So therefore, having a confidence is very important. In the end, I would like to make a suggestion. In this whole session is that apart from having a topic to speak upon, I think that there should be speaking on the spot compulsory and should be done every day, because speaking on any topic, you can just go home, read about that, cram it and recite over here. But whenever you are speaking on the topic, you will get a lot more fluent in whatever you are speaking. Your thinking under pressure will increase, and your general awareness or your knowledge on the general and random topics will be tested, and it would be overall a lot more fun and overall a lot more informative to you. So no matter how good or how bad you are, there will be always room for improvements. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग। हम सबसे पहले श्लोक बोलेंगे। वाणी रसवती यस्य यस्य श्रमवती क्रिया, लक्ष्मी दानवती यस्य सफलम तस्य जीवितम। अर्थात जिन लोगों की वाणी मीठी होती है और जो लोग परिश्रम से अपना काम करते हैं तथा अपने धन को दान करते हैं, उन्हीं का जीवन सफल होता है। अब मैं आप सबको जो यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम चलता है उसके बारे में बताऊंगी। सबसे पहले तो हम लोग संस्कृत श्लोक बोलते हैं, जिसमें इसका कारण ये है, संस्कृत हम लोग को पापा इसलिए बोलने वाले ताकि एक तो हम संस्कृत भूले ना और ना उस भाषा से हम दूर जाए। दूसरा, उस जो श्लोक हम बोलते हैं उसका मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जो हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा और सीख भी देता है। उसके बाद हम लोग को यहाँ पे हर रोज़ जो है एक टॉपिक मिलता है जो हमें यहाँ के फिर प्रस्तुत करना होता है अगले दिन। इससे हमारी एक तो सबसे पहले इसका कारण ये है कि यहाँ पे जब हम अगर बोलेंगे, जो हम अगर बोलते हैं, तो एक तो सबसे पहले अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाएंगे यहाँ पे बोलने, ताकि हम बाहर अगर कहीं पे भी स्पीच दे या कुछ भी दे तो कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाए। दूसरा इसका कारण है कि हमारा नॉलेज बढ़ता है। कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम नहीं जानते हैं, तो वो भी हम जानने लगे हैं ये जो टॉपिक मिलता है उसकी वजह से। तीसरा, लर्निंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करता है, फिर सेल्फ एस्टीम को भी बढ़ाता है। और हमारा अभी वैसे भी टेक्नोलॉजी का समय चल रहा है, तो हमें ज़्यादातर स्कूलों में धर्म और संस्कृति के बारे में उतने विस्तार से नहीं बताते हैं। तो इस वजह से हम यहाँ के टॉपिक से वो भी अपने धर्म और संस्कृति का भी महत्व जान रहे हैं। बस, थैंक यू।
गुड इवनिंग। पहले श्लोक बोलेंगे। उद्यमेनि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नाहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा। इसका अर्थ है उद्यम से ही सारे कार्य सिद्ध होते हैं, ना कि मनोरथ से। जैसे सोते हुए शेर के मुंह में खुद हिरन नहीं जाता. अब now I will discuss about this session. It helps us to improve our confidence. It improves our higher ability to think. It also improves our self-esteem. And we get to know about our family's past, and about our family members. We usually spend time with our family. By getting different topics, it improves our knowledge about different topics. We also get to know about things going around in this world by discussing about everything.
Good evening. I am starting with a Sanskrit shlok. वृथा वृष्टि समुद्रेषु वृथा तृप्तस्य भोजनम वृथा दानम समर्थस्य वृथा दीपो दिने यथा. अर्थात समुद्र में वर्षा होना बेकार है, एक तृप्त व्यक्ति को भोजन देना बेकार है, एक समर्थ व्यक्ति को दान देना बेकार है, जिस तरह दिन में दीप जलाना बेकार है. Now I will tell you about the session which held every day. Advantages of it are it improves the listening and speaking skills. It improves the good relationship with our family members. It is easy to understand. If the speaker delivers his or her speech to the listeners, it becomes easy to understand. If he is expressing his speech on the basis of audience level. Fourth is it saves time. Direct speech between the speaker and the listener saves our time. To communicate about the other informations. Thank you.
Good evening. I will start with the Sanskrit shlok. Vinditvam cha nripvatam cha nave tulyam kadachan स्वदेशी पूज्यते राजा विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. अर्थात एक राजा और विद्वान की तुलना नहीं की जा सकती, क्योंकि एक राजा को उसके देश में ही सम्मान मिलता है, पर विद्वान को हर जगह सम्मान मिलता है. Now I will speak about the program which is happening at night in our home. We are doing this program as due to this lockdown, due to COVID-19 outbreak. It makes us happy and we know new things about our village, family and generations. Now I will share some advantages of speaking here. First we spend our time with our family and it does not go to waste, which is a useful way as time is very efficient. Second, we know new things about, as I said before, we know new things about our family, generations and village, and about also about technology, areas, etc. Third is that our brothers and sisters are saying, and we learn new things and new topics from them, which are very helpful. Fourth, we speak Sanskrit shloks and some of them are motivational and inspirational for us. For example, as Savigya Didi said, Shlok Udyameni Siddhyanti, we know about that we have to do hard work for a great great achievement. Fifth, as our parents and our grandmother also see it and also suggest them some ways, and if we say something bad, our mummy डांटती है. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to present the shlok. Alasyam hi manusyanam sharigastho maharipu nastyudyamasamo bandhu कृत्वायम नवसीदति. इसका अर्थ है कि मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा शत्रु आलस होता है और सबसे बड़ा मित्र परिश्रम होता है, क्योंकि परिश्रम करने से कभी मनुष्य की जिंदगी में दुख नहीं आता. Now I will tell you about some of the advantages which we get during this speech. First of all, it improves our general knowledge and mental knowledge. In other words, it gives us the new facts, information about this world and about this world. Or second, it builds a confidence level in our body. Like on the first day of this program, we were not able to speak much as we were little nervous. Exceptions are few, or exceptions are few, and but now we are much comfortable in speaking. Third, now we are utilizing our time in this session, as before most of this time was not being utilized in a beneficial task. और फिर कौन से थे? Fourth, it keeps us away from the devices which could be harmful for our eyes, like smartphones, etc. Or it makes us more bold, or it makes us more bold. In the start, we chant the word Om, which kills the bacteria of our body. Or we get motivation through the shloks which are being spoken here. Thank you.
ठीक है. हाँ. कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगे धारम सदा वसंतम विद्यारंभे भवभवाय सहितम नमामि. आज मैं वो जो ये प्रोग्राम होता है उस पे बोल रहा हूँ. जो सबसे पहले जो बोलने का स्पीकिंग स्किल बढ़ता है, फिर वो सुनने का स्किल बढ़ता है, फिर लर्निंग का स्किल बढ़ता है, फिर जो डाउट होता है वो लास्ट में क्लियर हो जाता है. फिर हाँ, फिर कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है. थैंक यू.